How to fix MindsEye crashing on Steam, or the game keeps crashing. First, you want to go to your library, right click on the game, go to Properties, and in the General tab under Launch Options, make sure to specify -DX11 or DX10 if you keep crashing as well on DX11. Then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and just wait for this process to finish. And once it's done, you want to click on the Browse button, right click on the MindsEye exe file, go to Properties, Compatibility, and check both of these options right here. Then click on Apply, OK, and close this window. Now you want to try to launch the game to see if that solves the issue. And if the issue still persists, here is a second solution. First, you want to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app. Go to drivers and click on this arrow to check for the updates. And make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Once installed, you want to restart your system. And then basically before running the game, you want to launch Steam as administrator and then run the game. That should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.